Hello friends and welcome to our channel Nurturemite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of cabbage. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Cabbage. Cabbage has a round shape and is composed of superimposed leaf layers. It is a member of the food family traditionally known as cruciferous vegetables and is very closely related to kale, broccoli, collards and Brussels sprouts. Cabbage and all of its fellow cruciferous vegetables all belong to the family of plants called the Brassicaceae. Cabbage can vary in color from green to red and purple, and the leaves can be smooth or wrinkled. The health benefits of cabbage include its frequent use as a treatment for constipation, stomach ulcers, headaches, obesity, skin disorders, eczema, jaundice, and scurvy. It also helps prevent or delay the onset of rheumatism, arthritis, gout, eye disorders, heart diseases, and Alzheimer's disease. Antioxidant-related health benefits of cabbage. Cabbage contains manganese and vitamin C and lots of antioxidants like polyphenols. It helps in reducing oxidative stress. Anti-inflammatory benefits of cabbage. Red cabbage contains anthocyanins, which is an anti-inflammatory compound that is very beneficial for the body. Glucosinolates and cancer prevention from cabbage. Cabbage contains glucosinolates, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties which reduce the risk of cancer such as bladder cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, and prostate cancer. Digestive tract support of cabbage. Cabbage protects from stomach ulcers as it contains glucosinolates, antioxidant polyphenols, and the amino acid-like substance called glucotamine. It improves the digestion and prevents other stomach problems. Cardiovascular support from cabbage. Red cabbage supports the cardiovascular health. It also supports liver health, lowers cholesterol, and reduces the risk of atherosclerosis. Protection from radiation therapy. Cabbage contains diindolylmethane (DIM), which protects from harmful effects of radiation. It also reduces cancer. May lower blood pressure. Cabbage contains potassium, which lowers the blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart disease. Improves brain health. Cabbage contains vitamin K and anthocyanins, which give a strong boost to mental function and concentration. It also protects the nerves from damage and decay and improves the defense against neurodegeneration. Cabbage, being rich in iodine, also helps in proper functioning of the brain and nervous system, along with keeping the glands and endocrine system in a proper condition. Improves bones. Cabbage contains calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which protects the bones from degeneration and the onset of conditions like osteoporosis and general bone weakening. Reduces muscle aches. Cabbage reduces the muscle pain when certain bacteria ferment the sugars in cabbage during the preparation of sauerkraut. Lactic acid is released. It isn't the easiest compound to find in a diet, but it has been shown to reduce muscle soreness and aches. Speeds up healing. Cabbage contains sulfur, which protects from infections and speeds up healing process. It also reduces the frequency and severity of ulcers. How to buy and store cabbage. Buy cabbage which are fresh, firm, compact. Cabbage can be stored in a refrigerator for a few days. Uses of cabbage. Treats stomach ulcers. Cabbage is effective in treating a stomach ulcer. Cut half of raw head of cabbage and 2 carrots into small pieces. Put them in a blender and extract the juice. Drink half cup of this juice before each meal and at bedtime. Repeat daily for a few weeks. Cures engorgement of breasts. Dealing with engorgement of breasts during breastfeeding is nothing less than a nightmare for a mother. Breast engorgement occurs when the breasts become painfully overstocked with milk. You can use cabbage leaves to reduce the swelling and pain arising from the moderate to severe engorgement of the breast. The antibiotic and anti-irritant properties of the cabbage helps to reduce tissue congestion by dilating local capillaries and improving the blood flow in the area. Put a few cabbage leaves in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Place a cold cabbage leaf on the engorged breast. When the leaf reaches room temperature, replace it with a new one. Do this for a few times daily until the engorgement subsides. Heals sprained ankles. If you have sprained your ankle, cabbage is effective in getting you the much needed relief. Its anti-inflammatory effect helps reduce the swelling triggered by sprains and broken bones. Remove the outer leaves from the head of a cabbage. Using a rolling pin, gently crush the leaves so that the juice is released. Wrap the cabbage leaves in foil and warm them up in an oven. Put the warm cabbage leaves over the pain and then cover the area with plastic wrap to retain its warmth. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Use this remedy twice daily for a few days. Cabbage for ingrown toenails. Cabbage is used in removing pus from ingrown toenails and eliminate the infection. You need to place several leaves around the infected toe and secure with a cloth bandage. Cover the infected toe with a sock and leave it overnight. Remove the leaves in the morning and repeat the process overnight. Apply some Epsom salt soak in the morning. Continue this process for a few days to see a vast improvement in the toe infection. Cabbage wrap for a swollen feet. If you have a swollen foot or maybe your feet are sore in nature, then cabbage is the doctor that you need to go to. Cabbage helps in alleviating pain and also reduces the swelling in your feet. Cool white or green cabbage leaves in the freezer until they get chilled. Wrap them around your swollen feet and sit with your feet elevated for 30 minutes. The cabbage will draw out excess fluid and bring relief to your sore feet. Cabbage face mask for sagging skin. Start by taking 4 tablespoons of minced cabbage. Put them in a blender. Get 1 white egg. Crack it. Use only the white portion. Then mix everything in the blender and add 2 teaspoons of rice or besan flour. Power up the blender until you get a smooth yet sticky paste-like mixture. When your mask is ready, remember that you clean your face dry. Apply evenly on the face and neck. Avoid the eye and mouth areas. Use a cotton pad or gauze to cover your whole face. After a while, you can massage your face in circular motions for about 2 minutes. Then let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now wash it off with lukewarm water or cold water. and then pat dry. You can follow it up with a moisturizer if you like. Safety profile. Cabbages can also have a few side effects on your body, including the following: bloating, foodborne illness, goiter, iodine intake, flatulence, diarrhea, drop in sugar levels, colic. Fun facts about cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable. A chemical in cabbage may protect against the negative effects of radiation. The sulforaphane found in cabbage may help protect against cancer. Half a cup of cooked cabbage contains 81.5 micrograms of vitamin K. Cabbage is any of the various plants in the Capitata group of species Brassica. It is a leafy green, red, purple or white pale green biennial plant that grows as an annual vegetable crop for its dense-leaved heads. We don't know for certain where cabbage appeared for the first time because many plants belong to the family Brassicas. They grow around the world and today cabbage descends from them. The most common theory is that the West cabbage is domesticated in the Europe some 3000 years ago from its wild procedures that had thick leaves that retained water, which allowed them to survive in colder places in less water. In the East, cabbage is used since 4000 BC and was cultivated in North China. These variants were non-heading cabbages and were domesticated by Celts of Central and Western Europe. The ancient Greeks had some varieties of cabbage, as mentioned by Theophrastus, although whether they are more closely related to today's cabbage or to one of other Brassica crops is unknown. The first round-headed cabbage appeared in the 14th century England, and they became more and more popular as cuisine throughout Europe. The first cabbage in America was brought by a French explorer, Jacques Cartier, on his third voyage, 1541 to 1542. Today, China is the largest producer of cabbage, followed by India and Russia, which is the biggest consumer of cabbage. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.